Hi guys, and welcome to the Gravity Performance Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at some awesome upgrades for your E92 and E93 BMW 3 Series. We've got our gloss black M Sport style kidney grills and our gloss black M3 style spoiler. These are an awesome upgrade for anybody looking to get a sharper, sportier look to their 3 Series. Let's get them unboxed and take a look. Firstly, we're going to take a look at our gloss black M3 style rear spoiler. These are made from ABS plastic. They're designed to fit perfectly and add a more aggressive style to the rear end of your 3 Series. Next up, we have our M Sport look kidney grills for the E92 and E93 BMW 3 Series. These are again made of a durable ABS plastic finished in gloss black and are a direct replacement for the OEM grills. These are designed to give the front end a little bit more of a sporty look. Quality is our #1 focus point here. The ABS plastic used is strong and durable along with a flawless gloss black finish. These parts are all about combining style with precision fitment. As you can see, these are a real head turner, bringing a sleek and sporty vibe. If you're looking for an OEM Plus build, this is definitely the way to go.